This will be a quick video of a Quickset smart key. This is the deadbolt. Does not work with the key outside. This is the key that I use on the bottom one, but it somehow stopped working here. So what you need to do is fully lock the deadbolt, insert your key, kind of rake it a little bit out, pull it a little bit, and turn just slightly. I was doing it very hard earlier and it didn't work. So it's gonna be gentle in a way. It should have unlocked. Oh yeah, I got it done. I kept breaking it in and out just a little bit like that. So now you turn it and use your smart key. There. Oops, sorry. Oop. Pull the smart key out, and pull this key out. Even if you're gonna use the same one. Insert it again. You gotta go all the way. Actually did work. Hope that helped.